Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, your boy Ned from NS-518. Today we're going to take a look at the Pebble hand warmer mobile power supply. Not only is it just a hand warmer, but it's a power supply. In order to use it as a power supply, all you got to do is plug it into something and it'll go. The instructions say you have to press and hold the button, but trust me, it's not actually like that. It is not the largest thing, but I am super impressed with how well it will heat. If you press and hold, it'll start flashing. And then it'll start heating up. In about 20 seconds, you'll actually feel it heating up. Man, I gotta say, I really like the metal on this. It is really good for warming your hands, but also you can kind of rub it against your shoulders. I was using this today. I've been using it for the last few days, and it does what it says on the box. So right now, it's had time to warm up, and it's really hot to the touch. If I was to keep this in my pocket for any amount of time, it would be so warm that it would basically burn to touch. So they give you a handy dandy carrying case. Except it's not in here. Zoe! Fancy schmancy handy dandy carrying case. You just drop that sucker right in there. And then you won't burn your hands so much. I was telling my wife, hey, you like this thing? And she's like, why would I want one? I need two. I have two pockets. Like, come on. At least you can get half warm, right? So I'm going to be doing a teardown of this sucker and seeing what's on the inside. Alright, so use a flathead screwdriver to pry up, so you can see. Beautiful marks I left. Pop her open, let's see what's on the inside. Okay, oh, two of them. We got two of those batteries. Power switch. Come on, autofocus. No autofocus. Okay, let me read what's on that chip for you. I can't because it's way too small. No wonder I can't autofocus because I can't even see it myself. Okay, let's see if I can get these information. There is no information on the batteries at all. Awesome, that's just what I wanted to see. So after folding up some plastic tabs, we can check it out here. That's the heating element. Not as big as I thought it would have been. I thought it would have been all the way across, but honestly, I don't know much about these heating units. Still really interesting. This unit cost me about 20 bucks, I should say. Actually, 30 bucks, 20 bucks US, but let's open her up and see what's on the other side, shall we? All right, and that's what we got on the other side. Let me see if I can switch this, get a better autofocus. There we go, that's the autofocus I'm looking for. So yeah, honestly, I'm really pleased with this. I could have spent a little bit more money and got a better charger, a bigger charger, but it wouldn't have been a hand warmer. You can't warm your hands and charge at the same time. It's cold winter. It's good to have you. Pebble hand warmer, double side hot, not just single size. Universal, supports kinds of brands of mobile phones, iPhone, Samsung, Nokia, Lenovo, yeah. Me. I've never heard of a Me phone. Mizu. Definitely don't have one of those here. And then Pebble hand warmer. Come on, autofocus. What are you thinking? Mobile power supply. 5 volt, 1 amp is the input. Yeah, I probably shouldn't put it past that. Output is 5 volt, 1.5 amp. Charge time about 5 hours. Oh, that's more than I've been charging it for. Hand warmer, certificate of quality. All that fun stuff. And all that fun stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, Bobby. I'll tell you what, Bobby. Chinese, Japanese. 135 grams. Yeah, there is a bit of weight to it. This product is low ambient temperatures, can be used for hand, foot warmer, belly warm. Love me some belly warm rubs. Warm knee, waist. Oh man, have you ever had cold knees? I hate it when I get cold knees. There's the warranty card. All kinds of information. Anyways, that's it for me, folks. Let me put this back together so I can start warming my nuts again. Have fun, ladies and gentlemen. Nep Tech Pets, like and subscribe, like this kind of stuff. Always appreciated. And take care of each other. We may be all we have.